1 mole of a perfect monoatomic gas is put through a cycle consisting of following three reversible steps: AB, BC, CA, where AB pressure is constant, so isobaric. This will be an isobaric process. BC is isochoric process, and Ca will be isothermal process. Okay, now we have the data is clear. Now what we can do in this particular one, first perfect monoatomic gas. For monoatomic gas, Cv will be equals to 3 by 2 R. Cv will be equals to 3 by 2 R. If you write in calories, this becomes 3 calories. Cp is equals to 5 by 2 R. If you write in calories, this is 5 calories. Okay, now at A, point A, if you take, pressure is given, volume is given, we know the R value, we know we need to find temperature. So PV is equals to nRT1 at temperature, this one. So T1 will be equals to pressure is 20 into volume is 1 by number of moles is 1 mole given. So 1 into R value 0.0821. So temperature we get over here will be T1 is equals to 243.6 Kelvin. Same way at point B, T2 will be equals to PV by NR. Substituting 20 into 10 by 1 into 0.0821, you will get a temperature T2 will be 2436 Kelvin. So once we got temperature T1 over here and T2 over here, can we find delta T? Delta T is equals to 2436 minus 243.6, which will be equals to the delta T. Delta T will be equals to, if I am taking in this particular one, delta T is 2192.4 Kelvin. This is my calculation part. So the question here is calculate temperature T1 and T2 and delta U, Q and W in each step. The question is to find in each step where temperature is cooling from T1, where temperature is cooling T2 to T1 again. So T2 should be greater than T1 is already mentioned over here. So these are the points we are taking into consideration. First we'll find for AB. For the AB process, if I am taking the diagram in this way, this is how it is there. A, B, C. At A we have 20 comma 1 and B we have 20 comma 10. At C we have 2 comma 10. This is temperature T1, T2 and again T1. So we have this particular conditions. The directions are mentioned in this. AB isobaric. If it is isobaric, W will be given as minus P external into V final minus V initial, which is 20 minus 20 into 10 minus 9 minus 1, 10 minus 1, no, sorry, 10 minus 1 here. So this is 180 liter atmosphere, which will be minus 180 into 24.36 calorie approximately. 1 liter atmosphere is 24.36 calories. If you take, you will be getting an answer which is equals to minus 4384.8 calories. We are getting this answer. Coming to the next one is Q. QAB will be equals to N, it is Cp into delta T. Number of moles is 1. Cp we have the 5 calorie into delta T we know 2192.4, which is equals to 10962 calorie. So the delta U, the total delta U is W plus Q, which is equals to 10962 minus 43 84.8, which gives you 6577.2 calories. So this is all about AB, the process AB, where isobaric process is taking place. Now BC, isochoric process. In isochoric process, W is equals to 0, Q is equals to NCV delta T, that is 1 into 3 into delta T is 2192.4 calories, which is equals to 6577.2, where here it's minus negative sign because delta T here is negative. Delta T is negative here, minus 6577.2. Since temperature is moving from T2 to T1, delta T is equals to T1 minus T2, which is a negative because it is cooling in the process. Now your delta U is equals to Q plus W, which is equals to Q minus 6577.2 calories. Now the last one is CA, isothermal process. This is going to be an isothermal process. In an isothermal, delta U is equals to 0, Q is equals to minus W, that is 2.303 nRT log of V2 by V1. If I am substituting this particular one, minus W is equals to Q is equals to 2.303 into 1 into 8 point, sorry, here it calories if I have to take 2, so 2 into temperature I am going to take 243.6 log 10, and we'll get an answer which is equals to minus 1122.02 calories. So the final answer when we have taken, the overall Q net is equals to 3262.78 calories. Adding all the W net is adding all the work done, we get exactly minus 23262.78, and overall delta U ends up with a 0, indicating it's a cyclic process. This is the confirmation of this particular one.